Hello and welcome to your thoracic extension fascial freedom tutorial. Now for this one you can use a PVC piping, but it can be a little bit brutal initially for some of you guys, so you may need a foam roller or even just a rolled up towel can be enough for this one. Now what we're going to be doing, we're going to be sitting it across the shoulder blades. Females, sometimes your bra line is also a good reference point for this one. And all you're going to do is just gently get yourself in a nice comfortable position. Ideally, if you are using a foam roller, just quickly, if it's a really thick one, obviously you're going to be quite high off the ground. The problem with that is when you do lay back over, which is what we're about to do, it creates too much of a curvature in the lower spine. So if that's the case, just pop a pillow under your pelvis, so hopefully you're a bit more neutral when you're laying down. In this case, we've just got a fairly small roller, or if you're using a small PVC, it's perfect. You don't have to worry about that. But all we're going to be doing is just, you can support the neck with this one. We do recommend keeping the tongue on the roof of the mouth whenever you're in this position. And we're just going to gently lay back over the roller to create this thoracic extension situation through here. Now you'll get to a point, you'll notice that might be a little bit intense, so it's all about very calm, slow breathing, nose breathing, very important, and you can breathe in every time you lay back over it to try and create some extra expansion through the rib cage. And it's very slow, there's not much movement to this one at all. Lay back a little bit, if it feels good, hold it there for a second and come back up. You may even find just holding the position to begin with is probably a good one. You're going to be working a little bit just through the thoracic part of the spine, so pick a spot and just keep working. You'll know when you've got a bad spot, so that's your area we want you to attack each time. So set a timer, minimum 3 minutes is what we always aim for, and just slowly get after this. Obviously it's perfect for people who are in that kyphotic position. If you work all day in front of a desk, it helps open up. There is a lot more to that, but that's just a very basic overview of it. So that's a thoracic extension. You can do just quickly a little bit of movement, first of all, up and down on the roller if you want to try and get some hydration through the tissues there. And that's where the fascial freedom comes in. I guess this is more of just an opening type exercise. So get to work on this one. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video tutorial.